this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple lemon, mint and cucumber detox drink that will naturally aid in weight loss, burn body fat, increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism, help to detox your body, while also eliminating the feeling of bloatedness and feeling fatigued so that you can go about your day. I will explain the health benefits of having the super simple lemon, mint and cucumber detox drink as part of a regular diet, to have at least 3 times per week, and will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy drink consists of only 4 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1/4 cup of chopped cucumber, 1 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of mint leaves and a glass of water. So begin by chopping up the cucumber into small pieces and squeeze the lemon juice will be the next thing to do, and then grab some mint leaves and place them all into a cup, and then you can begin by or a large glass, and then you can begin by adding water and mix all the items together in the cup to get all the flavours to come together. And once all the contents have been mixed, you can place the jar or the container in the fridge and leave it overnight. And for the most effective results with this drink, make sure to have a glass first thing in the morning as soon as you get up. This simple and healthy drink not only helps to boost the immune system, but it also helps to detox the body. Will aid in losing stubborn belly fat while improving digestion, alleviate bloatedness, acid reflux or feeling fatigued. While the cucumber has high levels of vitamin B5, which also helps breakouts of acne, and you will start to see results in as little as 14 days. This is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised with how good it tastes. It will get your morning off to the perfect start and leave you feeling fully energised. Also, if you're looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track, to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. As always, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and always thanks for watching.